Hello and welcome to the recap series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about major summits. So you have remembered that recently we had a recap series which was a recap of 2024. It means that what were the major summits in 2024, we had made a quick revision, and on the basis of that we had designed a quiz for you. So this session is related to recap quiz and all the quizzes are related to the summits important happened in the 2024, and here in this session we'll have a 5 question which we will discuss, and there will be more 2 questions which you have to comment the answer. So coming to the first question, so before moving to the question part, I want to tell you that we have the ISGS Foundation course available, which is the Prelims plus Mains, and offline batch is available around different cities of the country. So we have in Prayagraj, Noida, Karol Bagh, Lucknow, Jaipur and Indore. And if you want to know more information about the Drishti IAS classes, you can call on to the number 87501. So coming to the first question, the first question is: consider the following statement regarding the G20 Summit 2024. It was organized in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Its theme was building a just world and sustainable planet. Which of the statement above are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. So the answer would be the C, which is both 1 and 2. The G20 Summit 2024 was organized from 18th to 19th of November 2024 in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Hence, statement 1 is correct. It is worth noting that this was the first G20 Summit to be held in Brazil. The theme of the summit was building a just world and a sustainable planet. So this is very much important. So therefore, option C is the correct one. Now we'll come to the next one. The next one is: consider the following statement regarding G7. It is a group of world's most developed and advanced economies. The group includes France, Germany, Italy and the United Kingdom, Japan and United States and Canada. Which of the statement above are not correct? Here they are asking the not correct one. Only one, only two, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So the answer would be the D1. It means that both the statements are correct. The 50th G7 Summit was recently organized in Fasano, Apulia, Italy from 13 to 15 June 2024. G7 comprises the world's most advanced economies. His statement 1 is correct. The group includes France, Germany, Italy, the United Kingdom, Japan and United States and Canada. Hence statement 2 is correct. So that's why option D is the correct one. It means that both the option is correct. Now we'll discuss the next one, which is: consider the following statement regarding the 54th World Economic Forum Annual Meeting 2024. It was organized from 15 to 19 February 2024 in Davos, Switzerland. The theme of the meeting was rebuilding trust. Its objective was to promote women's empowerment and gender equality. Here they are asking the correct statement: only one, only two, all three, none of the above. So you have to see the answer, which is B. So the 54th World Economic Forum Summit 2024 was held from 15th to 19th of January. Hence statement 1 is incorrect. It should be noted that India established the Alliance for Global Good, Gender Equity and Equality at this meeting. Its theme was rebuilding trust. Hence statement 2 is correct. The objective to promote women's empowerment and gender equality. Hence statement 3 is correct. Therefore option B is the correct answer. Now we'll come to the next one. Consider the following statement about the 112th International Labour Conference. The conference aimed to establish international labour standards. The International Labour Organization 187 members countries discussed various issues through their representatives. So here they are asking the correct one: only one, only two, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So the answer would be the C. 112th International Labour Conference was held from the 3 to 14th of June 2024 in Geneva. It is to be noted that 113th ILC will be organized in June 2025. The purpose of this conference is to establish international labour standard. Hence statement 1 is correct. Representatives from 187 member countries of the International Labour Organization, including workers, employers and government representatives, discussed various issues. Hence statement 2 is correct. So therefore option C is correct. So both statements are correct. That's why option C is correct. Now we'll discuss the 5th question. Consider the following statement about the NATO summit in The USA, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization Summit was organized in the USA. The NATO celebrated its 76th anniversary this time. Which of the statement is are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two, and the answer would be the A. The NATO summit was organized in the United States, hence statement 1 is correct. It is to be noted that this time NATO celebrated its 75th anniversary, hence statement 2 is incorrect. NATO is an intergovernmental military alliance formed in 1949. Established by the North American and European countries, NATO originally had 12 founding members. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Now we'll have two practice questions. So, the first question is, consider the following statement about 7th Indian Ocean Conference. The 7th Indian Ocean Conference was held in Perth, Australia. Its theme was towards the stable and sustainable Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. How many of the above statements are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none of the above. Now we'll discuss the next one. Consider the following statement regarding the World Economic Forum. It is a Swiss non-profit organization. It releases the Global Gender Gap Report. Which of the statement above is are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. So you have to answer this into the comment section, and this all summits are very much important. This year we had seen a very important summits. You have to remember the theme of the summits also, sometimes the place of the summits, headquarters, because these things are very much important for the prelims examination, and also these places, dates, and who is chairing, what is the theme. So these things are very much important for your PCS examination. So this particular quiz serves the purpose of UPSC as well as state PCS examination. So I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.